Hello, what's up, guys? This is Strider once again for our video. So today we're going to talk about how to troubleshoot your Blue Yeti microphone. So I decided to make a video of this because when I bought a used microphone from Marketplace from Facebook, and then when I tried to, basically it's a plug and play microphone. But when I tried to plug into my what do you call this, to my computer, it didn't recognize it. The system doesn't recognize it, and it didn't do anything. So today we're going to talk about how to troubleshoot. So let's start. So first thing first, so make sure there's a power on your microphone. So you can see there in the Blue Yeti, there's a mute button there. So once the red is flashing, so it means it's on mute. So when it's in a steady light, red light, so it's good. So first you must have a power. If you have a power, second, try to check the USB cable. So try to unplug the small cable that attached to your microphone, and then plug it back. And then after that, try to unplug the USB that's connecting to your computer. Then if the procedure doesn't help, so I'm gonna show you guys how to troubleshoot. First, you can try to go to your settings and then system, and then after that you go to the sound, and then your input must be a microphone Yeti stereo microphone, and then your test microphone should be working like something like this. And then your output, it doesn't matter which output you're going to use, to your speaker, or you can use your headset or any output device that you wanted. And also you can manage sound device. So manage sound device, here you can go to your microphone, you can disable and then enable it. So here you can see the rest are disabled, like in another microphone from my Realtek high definition audio, it's disabled. So I'm primarily using this microphone Yeti. Disable also my monitor sound, and the output that I'm using right now is my my Realtek high definition studio speakers. So there you can try to input, make sure your input is the microphone, Yeti stereo microphone, and then you can also troubleshoot. Click the troubleshoot, and then you're gonna detect the problems. And then in some cases it will solve, but some cases it will not. Most of the time it will not. You can go to advanced sound options, like you can see the input and the output right here. You can reset all the apps in the sounds here. Second, you can also go to your control panel. So just type control panel here. Hang on. There you go. And then go to your hardware and sound. Click and then go to sound. Here you can check all the playback. So as I said earlier, I'm using a speaker default, or you can also use the Yeti stereo microphone speaker. There's at the bottom there's a attachment for your playback or output. And for the recording, I'm using a Yeti stereo microphone right now, and disable these other things that in here. And then you can click one thing that I recommend if you're having a noisy sound on your recording, or you can hear your neighbors yelling, or you can hear the other room's noises, you can adjust it in your recording and go to properties and then go to levels. So right now I'm using 100, so let's just make it 90, or we can make it 80 right now, and then click OK. So that's the how to adjust the levels of your sensitivity of your microphone. I don't know what's the exact term for that. And then the playback, you can also properties here, levels. You can enhance it with some other effects. Okay, but make sure first that your microphone is working, right? So, and then also you can go to other options. Is you can go to device manager right here. You can also go to device and printers and make sure you have a Yeti stereo microphone icon right here. If another thing to uninstall, if you have a Yeti stereo microphone icon right here, add the devices, but it's still not working, you can just remove the device right here and click remove device. Or other steps to uninstall is the device manager. Go to the sound, the Yeti stereo microphone, and then uninstall device. Once you have uninstalled the device, unplug the USB and then restart your computer, and then after that after your computer has turned on, plug in the USB, and then you can see that the system is installing a new device, and then you can see a Yeti stereo microphone right here. Right, you can also check the universal serial bus, make sure it's working. If you see an X here, so there's probably something wrong with your USB connection. You can transfer it to another USB connector, or you can also try to change your USB cable going to your microphone to your computer. So we discuss on the device manager. Just go to your control panel, device manager, and then after that you can go to sound under control panel, and you can also manage audio devices. Same thing, that procedure that we did earlier. And if those procedure doesn't help, another steps for troubleshooting is we can go to privacy, because you can also access camera and microphone and privacy sometimes, or Microsoft updates some security on your computer or on your Windows. Like for example, I'm using a Windows 10 right now, so they updated their privacy. So at first when I tried to use this microphone, it doesn't work. What I did is I go to privacy and then go to microphone. Same thing on your camera. If your camera is not working, you can go to the privacy and camera, but in our case it's a microphone. Go to microphone, and then you can choose which Microsoft application can access your microphone. So at first when I check on my voice recorder, it was turned off. So right now it's turned on, so make sure it's turned on. You can also check the Skype and other application that you're using. So and then after I turn it on, the microphone works just like a charm. It's magic. And again, go to privacy and settings, and then go to microphone, and then the application, voice recorder, turn on. And So if you did all those procedures for troubleshooting and it still doesn't work for you guys, I recommend to go to a blue website and then for their support in order for them to help you out. So these are software setup that they have on their website, so there you can frequently check the frequently asked questions, and here there's a lot of stuff. So the proper way to use the microphone, the troubleshooting, so it's a big help. So you can also update the drivers of your Yeti, but in my case it doesn't need any update on my Yeti driver. It's just the privacy, so that's solved my issue. But on your case, it's a case-to-case basis, so just do the step-by-step procedure on how to troubleshoot. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope it will help you fix the problem. And if you like the video, please subscribe, and hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you. Bye bye.